Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabriel Klingman. I am the project manager over at ROAM. So we help the everyday person find that passion, that curiosity that's inside them, right? The weekend warrior, someone who wants to explore, wants to have that adventure, but doesn't have the time, doesn't have the money to go out and spend all this, make this extravagant adventure, right? We give people the freedom to pursue that curiosity that's naturally within them. I've been using the Future for about a year now. It's absolutely incredible. 100% recommend to anyone who's on the fence about it. So I've used them for some different digitization. So we've used it to digitize some artwork that we've gotten to create on t-shirts. We've used it to revamp multiple different Amazon listings. We've used it to pretty much do everything from logos, like you name it. You can send them super specific details and say, this is exactly what I want, just like this, and work with different variations, and it's perfect. Or you can say, hey, I have a general idea, here's what I want to do, can you work with that? And then you can work and do tweaks along the way. And what's really amazing is they actually treat you like a human being. They don't treat you like you're just some robot or anything. They treat you like a genuine human being. So if you're on the fence about it, I 100% recommend it. Absolutely worth every single penny.